This handy wireless remote controls Caseta in-wall smart switches from anywhere within the home. Turn on and off multiple lights with the touch of a button. Use as handheld remote, mount on a tabletop pedestal, PED1 WH, or attach to the wall with a bracket. Works as a switch where you need one. Most fits within a standard wall plate, CW1 WH, and mounts to any surface without cutting holes or running wire. Uses Lutron's proprietary and highly reliable Clear Connect RF technology that ensures seamless communication between your Caseta products. Remote has 10-year battery life. Pico takes 1 County Route 2032 battery included in remote. This product is the absolutely best solution to a very common problem, but you'd never know it from the product description. Anyone who has ever replaced a ceiling fan, light combo witn a fan only and been left wanting to control a light somehow with a switch that now deadends at the ceiling fan needs this product. It's not at all clear from the product description, but this is an elegant solution to the problem. Simply remove the existing switch, cap the now unused wires, replace the switch with this product and, along with its associated lamp module, voila, a lamp controlled from the same wall switch location. Beautifully engineered, exact fit for any standard wall plate, occupies no space in the wall box.